Hello everyone. In this video, we are installing PowerShell 7 on Windows 11 without using the command line. Instead, we will use a simple offline installer. But before we continue, let's check which PowerShell version is currently installed on this computer. Right-click on the Windows Start icon, then select Windows Terminal, Admin. From there, type the following command and press Enter. As you can see, we currently have PowerShell version 5.1 installed, so we need to upgrade to the latest version, which is version 7. To do that, open your preferred browser, type PowerShell Download in the search bar, and press Enter. From the search results, click the first link from Microsoft.com. Once you are on the page, scroll down a bit until you find the Install the MSI package section. From here, you will see latest releases from GitHub. For Windows 64-bit, click on this appropriate download link right here. Download process will begin, just wait for it to finish. Once download complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. On Welcome screen, click Next to continue. For the installation path, default option is fine, so click Next. From this screen, I recommend selecting all available checkboxes here, then click Next. There's nothing to change on this screen, so click Next again. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. The installation process will start. Wait until it finishes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, to confirm everything if worked, click on the Start icon and search for PowerShell. From the results, you will see two versions. The blue icon is the older version 5.1, and the black icon is the newly installed version 7. So, click on the new one to open it. To verify the version, type the command and press Enter. You will see that PowerShell 7.6 is now installed on your computer. If you open Windows Terminal Admin again and check the version, you will notice it still defaults to version 5.1. To access the latest version, just click this drop-down menu and select PowerShell 7. In this case, you are ready to start using the latest PowerShell. So, that's how you can install PowerShell 7 on Windows 11 using the offline installer, no command line needed.